Hi, Professor. This is Erin O'Neill talking through Quiz 9, problems 1 and 2. So for the first one, I needed to find the net magnitude at point P if the A current is to the right. And when I say net, that just means that I'm taking into consideration both both of these perpendicular wire lines. So I know that the equation for a magnetic field is here, mu naught I over 2 pi r. And so I was given all this information already, so I just plugged them in. And I knew that I was adding them together because they're both directed into the page. And I know this because of the right-hand rule. When you hold on to the current, something that's kind of handy that I've been thinking about is like unscrewing my water bottle lid. Which way do I have to turn it to get it to rise off, like in the direction of the arrow? So since that's going into the page, I'm going to add them together to get the net, which is the B of P, which equals 4.1 times 10 to the negative fifth power Teslas into the page. And at point Q up here, it's essentially the exact same thing, but it's going the other direction because it's on the other side. And because both of these are coming out of the page at that point, because the 10 is still going, the current's still going to the same side. So this one made sense to me. Thanks. I think that's all for now. Bye.